going to extend the row that E-Type's on.
Oh,
so if I can have you next to the E-Type, that'd be perfect.
Right, it'll take about 5 hours of parking. I'm terrible parking. No, I'm joking. Right, okay, that's great. Right.
No, I ain't seen that. Pretty low. Big flat bed, that old bread.
Yeah, you'll see. Yeah, you'll see where the food's being served, just to the right of it.
While it works, I'm going to leave it alone.
Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. I might regret my decision.
Thank you. This is your car? Thank you.
No,
It's yours.
Here.
Very nice. Looks all original.
yeah, close. It's original, yeah.
Brilliant. How long you had it, mind me asking?
2010 I bought it.
Oh, yes, that's a few years ago.
Yeah.
Brilliant. It's lovely condition still.
I can actually afford to buy one.
That's the price now, isn't it?
I thought I paid a lot for that. I paid 23,000 for it. It's not a lot for one now.
No, it's not.
From there on, it's always wanted one, but I could never afford one. You know, when it was that old.
These things were so cheap 20 years ago.
Yeah,
I mean, my first thing, that was a simple sharp nose.
Yeah.
It wasn't an RS or anything back into gas. But I couldn't afford all the cars I
I mean, this is. Oh, they are.
what they are.
Yeah.
I mean, what do I want? Back when I was young, there were, I mean, these were selling for
Yeah, yeah. Nothing could be.
but now,
They say they get like 3 good. But it's not going to be bulldogs overall.
No, they are.
I was going to say that must be.
Cheap shit, 15, 16 grand. Beautiful.
Do 2 jabs at it, does it in 1 ear, and he went, I went, was I a little bit, I was a little bit, kind of went, a little bit rotten there, and then I went, no. So that was what that was the line. So, truck, the 4-door compress, same.
Granddad! Where is it? An old Mustang! Found an old rusty old Mustang.
For some reason at the starter mode, put bases on it to get it to, and even then it's still.
Is it the original? It's not the Yamaha starter motor, is it?
No.
Nah.
No,
I don't think that'd move it.
Yeah, it's but no, it's a separate starter motor for the reverse.
Oh, okay.
So that's what they use.
Oh, okay. Right,
yeah,
right,
they use like it's a weird old system on it. It's just easy to push it.
Yeah.
Look a bit of an idiot.
No, so that's
in
a
the
bit
middle of
character.
McDonald's and I'm like pushing it out and then
Like the Mark III,
like stop and then I have to get in, buckle up and that. So, but yeah, it's
Do you know what it weighs?
wet. It's 5'10". Yeah. So it's
Standard R1 engine.
yeah.
Carbs or fuel?
Pump. Yeah, old school. Yeah, 28 in it.
range ad, like that one fits in with the, yeah.
Yeah, see, normally my 7-year-old kid knows. I'm a 4-year-old, so I'm a bit like. I think it comes to the last one. I did, Can I bring you just a touch more forward?
Find a good one of these. C4, I only wanted C4S. 30 grand. 30 grand all day. This is a full service history car. 26 stamps in the book. 7 grand, taking the last 18 months. And it's, I think, that's hilarious. Is it the same colour? Yeah. That's hilarious. So I haven't seen one in black yet with the heritage kit on.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's funny. That's really funny to hear.
Does
he do all the car mix himself?
He comes in here, right?
Yeah.
No, you've got friends though. Yeah. Right, yeah.
I have seen only the first season. Yeah, I don't understand it. I mean, it's not really one bit right. I've done enough to it.
Check it. So it's got Ford side oiler.
Yeah, 427, 7 litres.
How long have you had this?
1992.
Nice. It's just a few years. Just a couple of years. Wow.
Yeah, the engine was built by Peter Knight Racing.
Right. Yeah.
They built all that.
Knight Racing,
good
huh?
races in it, yeah. So it's dynoed it at 520 horsepower.
Had a body as well. So the name of the body kit of this one? It's
Well, there's a company in New York called
Yeah.
Contemporary.
Essex Contemporary. I've heard of them. So